This is the T10X, a new all-electric SUV of a Turkish startup called Togg. Turkey was still a blank spot in the auto world, but after successfully building a strong domestic military industry with superior drone technology, Erdogan has joined the electric race with a new prestige project. On the 100th anniversary of the Republic, Erdogan launches a fancy electric vehicle and declares the beginning of the Turkish century. The compact SUV will be exported to the world, just like the military drones, and is also packed with advanced high technology at a competitive price. Togg was founded to compete with the likes of Tesla, and the T10X is the direct competitor of Tesla's best-selling Model Y. The potential is enormous. 100,000 pre-orders were placed in just 7 days. But what is this Turkish Tesla all about? When will the T10X be available? And at what price? And has it really the same potential as Turkey's military drones? Join us as we explore how Erdogan shocked the world by launching Turkey's first domestic electric car. After his quest to build the best-selling, affordable, and seamlessly designed war drones, shaping the face of modern warfare, Recep Tayyip Erdogan joined the electric race by launching an advanced high-tech SUV. The leader transformed his nation from an importer into a global arms exporter and paved the way for becoming a global military drone superpower. With his new prestige project, he wants to replicate the same success in the automotive industry. For this mission, the Italian-designed studio Pininfarina was engaged, which accounts for several notable car designs including Maserati and Ferrari, but also its own electric hypercar, the Pininfarina Battista. And it's obvious that only professionals were at work on the design. Harmonious proportions, high-quality looking chrome details, and sporty lines characterize the T10X. Inside it has a futuristic high-tech approach and comes with an extensive infotainment system as standard. A 12-inch screen serves as the instrument cluster, and a huge 29-inch touchscreen display stretches across the length of the cockpit. The elongated screen can be divided into several parts so that the passenger can play mini-games or watch The Futurist on YouTube. Inside is a camera that can be used to take selfies or join Zoom meetings via voice control. But it also has a drowsiness detection feature which issues warning signals when drowsiness is detected. The specially shaped center console, reminiscent of an airplane cockpit, contains a tray for inductive charging, as well as a driving mode selector and a round touchpad. But the Togg won't be an electric car like any other. The CEO calls it a smart device, with a new concept of use case mobility, designed to be perfectly integrated into our digitized and hyper-connected world. The first electric car company to implement blockchain technology and smart contracts. But let's understand Togg as a company first, with a brief history. Turkey is a young, dynamic nation with a population of 85 million people. Vehicles have been built in Turkey for decades by a wide variety of car manufacturers, including Ford, Mercedes, and Toyota. The only thing missing was a local brand, a 60-year-old dream of the nation. However, a lack of political will and enough skilled labor has led to many failed attempts over the last few decades. Turkey has not been able to catch up with internal combustion engines. While other countries already had a technological edge, Turkey was left behind. But a new opportunity loomed on the horizon. It was the time of electric vehicles. Therefore, Turkey's President Erdogan mobilized the country's industry leaders back in 2017 to build a 100% Turkish-made electric car. Recruited talented engineers from the 6 million Turkish diasporas working abroad for BMW or Mercedes. Togg was born, a technology brand to be the bridge between East and West. A consortium of 5 major Turkish companies to be the draft horse of the domestic EV industry. Similar to how General Motors has contributed to the rapid development of Detroit's economic industrial complex and led to many global American auto brands such as Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac. The same is envisioned for Togg. A former General Motors manager took on the role of the Chief Operating Officer, and Gürkan Garakas, a former Bosch manager with decades of experience in the auto industry, became the CEO. A factory was built in record-breaking time during the pandemic, located in Turkey's Silicon Valley, Gemlik Bursa. The factory stretches over an area of 1.2 million square meters, with an output of 175,000 electric cars annually, and is moderately expandable. And finally, in 2023, the first production Togg rolled off the assembly line at the Republic's 100th anniversary. The president was the first to test drive the SUV at the launch event and declared the beginning of the Turkish Century. The first T10X comes with rear-wheel drive and 218 horsepower. The all-wheel drive option will follow later this year at 430 horsepower. The T10X will be available in 2 versions and 2 battery options. The smaller standard range, 52.4 kilowatt-hour battery covers a distance of 314 kilometers, while the long-range version with an 88.5 kilowatt-hour battery has a reach of 523 kilometers. The batteries are made in Turkey as well. Zero Energy was founded in 2021, a joint venture with the Chinese company Ferasis Energy. Turkey had only minor oil reserves, but is rich in rare earth minerals, elements integral to batteries. So the country bets on building and developing its own battery tech, especially based on boron, a material with very promising properties for advanced battery technology, which Turkey accounts for about 73% of the world's reserves. However, boron battery technology has yet to be developed. But that's not what makes the T10X different. As we hinted at, the CEO calls it a smart device, just like a smartphone, and not a car. Therefore, Togg has worked on an entirely new concept called use case mobility. The vehicle is user-centric design, smart, connected, and autonomous. Togg's online app store, TrueMore, offers a range of proprietary and third-party apps. This includes Togg's online navigation app, TrueMore Go, which also integrates coffee shops, grocery stores, and e-commerce sites with direct payments via the built-in e-wallet. The Togg can act as a parcel acceptance point where Amazon packets can be delivered. For payments, the company works on an integrated crypto wallet, but will use blockchain technology to connect to the Internet of Things. 4G access and a Wi-Fi hotspot provide the internet connection, and the TrueMore app is designed to be easily integrated with every smart device. The T10X has several integrated cameras and offers Level 2 autonomous driving with adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, and lane departure warning. The Rush Hour Pilot Assistance function makes it possible to take your hands off the steering wheel in heavy traffic at speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour. The electric SUV also offers a 360-degree camera, blind spot assistant, cross-traffic warning, and automatic parking assistance. The SUV has 7 integrated airbags for maximum security and gets a 5-star rating in European crash test standards. The T10X will be available in 6 paint finishes to choose from and received a lot of attention in its domestic market, reaching 100,000 orders in just 7 days. The base price for the version 1 standard range with 314 kilometers will cost $3,900 before taxes, while the fully equipped version 2 all-wheel drive long range will cost $53,500. Export to Western countries will begin in 2024, and 4 additional models will follow in the coming years. A sedan and cross coupe will follow first. A bigger SUV and an MPV van are still in development. What do you think about Turkey's new electric vehicle? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one. And in the meanwhile, you can watch how the Chinese BYD has built the first sodium-ion battery electric car for cheaper and sustainable development.